Hello all, welcome to this class. I'm Sir Emmanuel and today we are going to treat linear graphs. Okay, I hope you find this topic interesting because it is very interesting indeed. We have some plotted points here that I would like you to help me write out the coordinates for. Are we clear? So the first question says, write the coordinates for the points A, B, C, D, and E. So these are the points A, B, C, D, and E. We have to write the coordinates for these points. So quickly, point A, when we trace it along the x-axis, 2, along the y-axis, 2. And so our coordinates for point A is 2, 2. Okay, so for point B, we have 4, 4. When we trace it on the x-axis, we are on 4. And then along the y-axis, we are also on 4. So 4, 4. Their meeting points, that is point B, is 4, 4. So we write that down as well. For point C, we trace it down to the x-axis 6. And on the y-axis 6 as well. So 6, 6. As simple as that. Then D, 7, 7. So 7, 7. Then finally, the last one, E, 9, 9. So the coordinates are 9, 9. As straightforward as that. The question continues. Join the points A, B, C, D, and E to form a straight line. Okay, so we are going to join these points to form a straight line. So I have my rule here. Just simply join the last point to the first point. You can see that it passes through the origin, which is the 0, origin 0, or O, designated as O in some cases. So it passes through the origin throughout. And so we have joined this to form a straight line. Okay, so let's go to the second question. Now we are going to plot the points ourselves. So the question says, plot the points M 110, N38, P65, Q92 on the coordinates plane below. Okay, so this time around, the points have not been plotted for us. The coordinates have been given, and we are to plot the points on the coordinates plane using these coordinates. In the first question, in the initial question, the points were given to us, and from these, we wrote out the coordinates. This time around, the coordinates are given, and we are to plot the points on the coordinates plane here. So M110, the 1, if you remember what we did previously, the 1 is on the x-axis and the 10 is on the y-axis. Okay. The first number represents the x values and the second number represents the y values. So M110, 1 on the x-axis, 10 on the y-axis. So 110 will be here. 110. Then N38. N. So here is M. Okay, let's label it M. Then N38. 3, 8. Okay, so N, this is N, isn't it? P65, 5. So that is P, right? Then kill 9 2 9 2 kill 9 2, isn't it? So kill 9 2. Now we've plotted these points. Okay. The question says join the points M, N, P, and Q to form a straight line. Okay. So I pick my rule or my ruler. Then I align it. And the trick is that you have to position the pencil and the rule in such a way that you can feel the ruler hit the pencil as you engage the point. Okay. So here, my pencil is on this point. I have to hit the pencil, the tip of the pencil with the ruler. Okay. That ensures that it is aligned. And then I go here, the same thing. I engage the point and then I hit the tip of the pencil with the ruler. Okay. Okay. Now it has slated over it. So I bring it back a little bit. I engage it again, hit. Now I can feel the ruler hit the tip of the pencil. I can feel it hit the tip of the pencil. I can feel the ruler hit the tip of the pencil anytime I place the pencil on the points. Okay. This ensures that I draw a straight line that passes through the points as desired. And so we have this line. We have this slanted line. Okay. So the line through these points, okay, is called a line graph. Okay. So this is a line graph. This is also a line graph because the plotted points, we can just draw a line through them. And it is also called a linear graph, okay, because the line obtained is a straight line, okay. The line obtained by drawing or by joining the points is a straight line, and therefore it is called a linear graph. So linear graph. So this is a line graph. Specifically, this is a linear graph because the plotted points follow a straight path or follow a straight line. Now, another thing we can notice is that this line inclines in this direction. So we say it inclines upwards, whereas this slanted line is inclined downwards. Okay, you can put this somewhere. When we continue on to gradients, we are going to further explain what they mean. All right. Also, in the next video, I'm going to make more linear graphs in the standard graph sheets. To benefit from the next lesson, I'll advise you to bring along your graph sheets so you can do some examples with me. Thank you. That's all for today. Bye-bye.